Shubor Naka Snem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka North Eastern Hills University Students Union ka santri ujileo arajar arpulai kalayo ban Bathymmai ki Nongkitkam jong ka naga Bynta ka samoy kam jong Snem arajar arpulai arpusau hadin maka samoy kam jong ki Nongkitkam barim kalakut eka program ha ka snila pendong ha convocation hall jong ka school ba Nehu ha ka jingedan lang MLA ka Maulai constituency uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang uba lalong kum kongsan DK Nayak Ubadayu Acting Vice Chancellor jong ka school ba Haringkar Officer in Charge Office of International Affairs Professor B. Biswath Nangta Udin ka Students Welfare Professor R.L. Nongklaw bat kiway Nongkitkam Bathymmai jong ka Nehusu nagabanta ka samoy kam jong Snem arajar arpulai arpusaw kikinthum ya President Ready 1st June Nongpsam Vice President Easter Son Sotun General Secretary Ban Penbiang Riang, Assistant General Secretary Welbert Son Rani, Finance Secretary Mandor Ding Dos Where, Academic Secretary Abri Solia, Sports Secretary Dennis Marbanyang, Publicity Secretary Banjoblang Shangdiar, Socio-Cultural Secretary Daniel Bopang, but Editor Deishisha Supai. Ikajing penbam semai hekani kasngila le da DK Nayak, Acting Vice Chancellor Jong School Ba Nehu.
Deishisha, our editor, to please felicitate Sir Bright Starwell Marbanyang, MLA of the Maulai constituency. Now I would like to call
Guest of honor in today's very important event, that is the introduction of the Nehusu and an oath-taking ceremony. And it's good to be back home. In fact, I'm still part and parcel of Nehu, where presently I'm doing a research from adult and continuing education. Let me start by quoting what John Maxwell said on leadership. According to him, he said, "A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way." And when you talk about leadership, because that's what we are all here for. And when you talk about leadership, leadership is all about responsibility. And it does not end there. When you talk about leadership, it also means honesty, which is very important. And when you talk about leadership, leadership is not only to lead. That's what we think all the time. Yes, many a times a leader is supposed to lead his team. But what is more important than leading is guiding. And when you talk about leadership, we often express our desire, especially when you talk about our society today. We expect that the leader at the topmost, that is at the governmental level, to be transparent. But let me tell you, if we want a transparent leadership at the top, it all has to start from the bottom.
We do solemnly affirm that we will faithfully execute the duties of the office to which we have been elected in the Students' Union of NEP.